Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders reported strong financial performance in Q4 FY26 on a consolidated basis. Net profit more than doubled to 674 crore rupees, marking a 107% increase from 325 crore rupees in Q4 FY25. Revenue from operations also grew by 21% to 3,850 crore rupees compared to 3,174 crore rupees last year. Dr. D.K. Sunil has ceased to be the chairman and managing director of the company upon attaining superannuation on 30 April 2026. He held the position of CMD from 9 September 2024 to 30 April 2026. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited has delivered the fourth stealth frigate of the Project 17A P-17A class, Mahendragiri, to the Indian Navy. The delivery of Mahendragiri marks another significant milestone, reflecting MDL's professionalism, technical expertise, and capability in constructing advanced warships. Oil marketing companies have sharply increased the price of 19 kg commercial LPG cylinders by an average of 993 rupees effective today. The new price of a 19 kg commercial LPG cylinder in Delhi now stands at 3,071 rupees and 50 paise, up from 2,078 rupees and 50 paise earlier. In Mumbai, the price has risen to 3,024 rupees from 2,031 rupees. India's leading aerospace and defense public sector enterprise, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL), has appointed Kota Ravi as its chairman and managing director (CMD) with effect from May 1, 2026. State-owned mining giant Coal India Limited has disclosed provisional data for its single-window mode-agnostic e-auction of coal and coal products for April 2026 in compliance with SEBI's listing regulations. NHPC Limited's chairman and managing director, Shri Bhupender Gupta, visited the company's regional office in Chandigarh on 30 April 2026. He was warmly welcomed by Shri Aditya Gautam, Executive Director RO Chandigarh, along with senior officials of NHPC. Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Nitin Gadkari, has launched India's first multi-lane free-flow barrier-less tolling system in Gujarat. The new system has been introduced at Chorayasi Toll Plaza on the Surat-Bharuch section of NH48. Narendra Modi has expressed deep sorrow over the tragic loss of lives following the capsizing of a boat in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. The Prime Minister conveyed heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families and prayed for the speedy recovery of those injured in the accident. Bharat Khera has officially taken charge as Secretary of the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India. A 1995 batch IAS officer from the Himachal Pradesh cadre, he brings more than 30 years of administrative experience across key roles in both the central and state governments.